Shall we begin?
Hi and welcome back, or if you've not been here before, welcome. In today's video I'm going to be showing you some advanced walking steps, how to do runways and every style you can imagine. So we're going to pop outside because there's going to be a bit more room and I'm going to do a voiceover. But thanks for being here. If you enjoy it, please press my buttons and I'll see you soon. We are starting off with the basic walk, and if you've not seen my previous video, pop down to the link in the description below. For a quick recap of the basic walk, we're going to step forward with our foot and push out with our hip. The same hip that our foot goes forward, we're going to push the hip out. Step with the foot, push with the hip. Step with the foot, push with the hip. Duck walk, boo-boo. Now let's do a normal motion. Step, hip, turn. Step, hip, step, hip, turn. Here we are with our evening wear walk, where we take it slow and sultry, giving glamour and poise, giving those come to bed eyes to those judges. We are then going for an evening wear with a full turn. We're actually going to step forward, cross over, turn with both feet, kick out with the other foot and walk forward. This is called a full turn. You can also do a half turn and then another half turn, but I do like to do a full turn. It is a complicated turn to do on a runway. Moving on to fashion wear. This is bouncy. This is bubbly. You want to be smiling at those judges, smizing with those eyes, giving them those little looks every now and then. You can add flair to this walk. You know, hold the hips, cup the face, giving that little bit of attitude, making it your own. Boom, 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 boom. And now we have fashion wear with a full turn. Again, this is very complicated to do, so not something for beginners, but it is super enjoyable to do. With fashion wear, you always want to think almost like skipping. And last but very no means least, we have drag, kicks and tricks. This is what you'd kind of see on RuPaul's Drag Race and things like that. So if you've enjoyed today's video, let me know if you're trying any of these walks, if you're enjoying the videos, what you want to see. And you'll be doing runways just like Miss Drag UK. Thank you for watching. I hope you're doing really well. And hopefully, Boo Boo will see you, Susu. Bye for now.